Hi guys, today we're going to look at reflexive pronouns and each other to talk about who is doing an action and who is receiving the action. Look at these three examples. 1. He is looking at himself in the mirror. 2. They love each other. 3. She made the bread herself. Which one is different? The correct answer is number 2. They love each other. In number 1 and number 3, there is an example of a reflexive pronoun. Himself and herself. This is Sam. Who is Sam looking at in the mirror? Sam is looking at Sam. He is looking at himself. When the subject in a sentence is the same as the object in the sentence, we use a reflexive pronoun. We can also use a reflexive pronoun when we want to emphasize that somebody did something alone with no help. For example, she made the bread herself. The singular reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself, and itself. The plural forms of the reflexive pronouns are ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Notice the different endings for singular, self, and plural, selves. Look at the second sentence, which was different. They love each other. Who loves who? He loves her and she loves him. It's reciprocal. They love each other. Look at some more examples. We respect each other. I respect her and she respects me. You can't speak to each other. You can't speak to her and she can't speak to you. They help each other a lot. She helps him and he helps her. All of these actions are reciprocal. What's your opinion of these two statements? You should never lie to yourself. Friends should never lie to each other. Is it ever okay to lie to ourselves or to each other? Let us know what you think in class.